Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable tips emails in X. If you're tired of receiving emails with tips on X products and want to declutter your inbox, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Locate and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Now, find the specific email option titled Tips on X Products. Disable this option to stop receiving emails with tips on X products. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled tips emails in X, decluttering your inbox and ensuring a more streamlined experience. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a clutter-free and personalized experience with X.